So as you can see here, it's another beautiful day in Salem, Ohio. Northeastern Ohio is all really scenic this time of year. It's generally pretty flat and kind of boring, but in the fall it's really comes alive with all the foliage. So I'm really enjoying all this scenery, and hopefully you can enjoy it in this video with the little bit you see behind me. It's really beautiful to look at God's creation in a little bit of a different perspective. So today I wanted to make a video about why I don't have health insurance. I'm not sure I want to encourage you not to have health insurance, but I want you to kind of rethink it if you do have it and kind of regret having it. So I'm a single guy, I don't provide for a family or anything. I haven't been to the doctor in about 7 years. So for me, there's really no point in having it. I used to have it for about a year and a half, 2 years, and I worked at a company for like 6 years, and I got laid off, so I was on unemployment for about 4 or 5 months, and over that 4 or 5 month period, I didn't have it, and I started thinking about it, and I'm like, you know, I spent about $2,000 over that year and a half time and on health insurance, which I never used. Why pay for it? You know, that's going to be a big chunk of money that you're spending over your lifetime. Now, I do plan on having kids and getting married someday, so I think at that point I probably will opt into having health insurance. But as of now, I'm still single and don't have to have insurance for any family, so I feel like I'm saving money and I can invest it on my own how I choose. So I feel like I've saved about probably $7,000 over the few years where I didn't have insurance. So I'm glad that I haven't. I'm not planning on getting it anytime soon. Unless something were to happen where I do have a family or children, which, like I said, eventually I want to have. And I think it's just important that you think about life this way, because I mean, money is important. It's not the only important thing in life, but it does change your quality of life. Having more money, it makes it a lot better. Having money, and it just, you know, eases tension a lot. And I think it's just important that you think about life that way. And I kind of like living on the edge a little bit when it comes to things like that. So that's why I don't have health insurance, and I feel like I've greatly benefited from it and profit. I feel like I've made more money because I don't have insurance either. So just fingers crossed nothing happens, but I feel like if something did happen that were so life traumatic where I did have insurance, whether I had insurance or not, it'd still be life altering. So I just figured, don't pay for it. It's not worth it. Insurance companies are out there to make money. I like making money, and I just figure live on the edge a little bit. Don't get health insurance. That's my philosophy.